So here we are. I have three filling diagrams to be on the screen. The top one is my filling diagram for neon, which has an electron configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. And I would go ahead and make it like this, filling each orbital once before I add a second electron. And remember, neon is a noble gas. When I make the filling diagram for fluorine, fluorine comes just before neon in the periodic table, and it would look like this. But if I actually wanted to make the fluorine ion, so that has a charge of 1 negative, to make that filling diagram, what I would do is I would add in that extra electron, and I would change the 5 to a 6. So instead of having 2p5, I now have 2p6. You can see that the filling diagram for the fluorine ion is exactly the same as the filling diagram for neon. The same thing happens when you make a filling diagram for a cation. Looking at my magnesium, I would make my filling diagram. Magnesium, again, is 2 beyond neon. Sorry, the pen's not working. And so this would be the filling diagram for magnesium. But if I wanted to make that magnesium cation, so I want it to have 2 plus, I would have to go ahead and remove the electrons from the 3s orbital. I'd also have to remove the 2 because there aren't 2 electrons there anymore. The 3s orbital still exists, it's just empty at this point. You can see now that the electron configuration of the magnesium cation is exactly the same as the electron configuration of the noble gas. This is what makes ions really stable.